Introducing the 2008 Ford F-150 Super Crew. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.